Well, here we go again. 2004 Chevy pickup, and 21% air mixed with 2% hydrocarbons, and you got 98% R134. Not a good mixture. So that tells me it was to a hack shop and touched this car before. Somebody who doesn't own a refrigerant identifier and doing air conditioning is basically considered a hack, because you're going to get insulted for this. Like my father used to tell me, there's 3 traits you don't have to worry about competition. If your competition is ignorant, do they choose to be ignorant? And they're ignorant, they're going to make a lot of mistakes, they're going to screw up customers' cars, they'll make a lot of money ripping off customers, no problem. That's a good thing, because they'll eventually come to you. You'll come across them. So that was ignorant, cheap shop, cheap owner, somebody who doesn't want to spend money on education, spend money on tools and equipment. God damn it, I got a plane going over me. Hate that. A cheap shop owner is a piece of shit who needs to be removed from this field. And lazy, somebody who wants the quick, easy money, and they take shortcuts on everything, and they're lazy to get education, they're lazy to buy equipment and go look for more, they're lazy to fly out somewhere for training. Cheap, lazy, and ignorant are 3 traits that are not tolerated in the automotive or any technical trade, and they need to be eliminated. And shit like this happens because of these kind of individuals. So I'll keep going on from here and see what else I find out on this 2004 Chevy. That's been it.